Hi everyone! Ako si Sabrina, your friendly real estate agent. Laging may puso para sa pamilya. Today, I'm so excited to show you this beautiful home na perfect para sa inyong dream family life. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa tour na ito. Pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo agad ang open concept layout. Ang liwanag, di ba? Thanks to this large window na nagpapapasok ng natural light, perfect ito for bonding moments with your family or entertaining guests. Now, let's take a look at the bedroom number 1. Ang ating kitchen. Ang ating bedroom number 2. Ngayon, ang bathroom number 1 natin. Ito ang master's bedroom, very spacious at may ensuite ang bathroom. Siyempre, ang mga kids room are cozy and can easily be customized to match their personalities. So what do you think? This house has everything you need para sa isang comfortable and happy family life. If you're interested in this property, message me anytime. Ako si Sabrina, ang real estate agent na laging nandito para sa inyo. See you on our next tour. Bye-bye!